Hey there, rabbit enthusiasts! Today we're hopping into the wonderful world of our fluffy, long-eared friends. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts about rabbits that'll make you say, "No way! Did you know that rabbits have been around for a whopping 40 million years?" That's right. These adorable creatures have been bouncing through time since before humans even existed. Talk about staying power. Now let's talk about those iconic ears. Rabbit ears aren't just for show. They're like built-in air conditioners. These super-sensitive appendages help regulate body temperature by expanding and contracting blood vessels. Cool, right? But wait, there's more. Rabbits have a secret superpower. They can see behind them without turning their heads. With eyes on the sides of their heads, they've got nearly 360-degree vision. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, but way cooler. Speaking of cool, did you know that rabbits are crepuscular? No, that's not a fancy type of vegetable. It means they're most active during dawn and dusk. So if you've got a pet bunny, don't be surprised if they're throwing a party while you're trying to catch some sleep. Let's hop over to their eating habits. Rabbits are herbivores, munching on grass, veggies, and hay. But here's a fun fact. They eat their own poop. But before you go, yuck, it's actually a crucial part of their digestive process. They produce special nutrient-rich droppings called secotropes, which they re-ingest to extract all the goodness. It's like nature's version of a protein shake. Now, you might think rabbits are all about that carrot life, but surprise. While they do enjoy the occasional carrot treat, it's not their main food source. In fact, too many carrots can be bad for bunnies due to their high sugar content. Who knew Bugs Bunny was leading us astray all this time? Let's talk about rabbit reproduction. And boy, do these little guys know how to multiply. Female rabbits can have up to 12 babies in a single litter, and they can get pregnant again just 24 hours after giving birth. No wonder we have the phrase, breeding like rabbits. But it's not all fun and games in the rabbit world. These little fluffballs have some pretty intense defense mechanisms. When threatened, rabbits can kick with their powerful hind legs, delivering a surprisingly strong blow. They can also reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour when running from predators. That's faster than Usain Bolt. Here's a quirky fact for you. Rabbits can't vomit. Their digestive system is a one-way street, which means they have to be extra careful about what they eat. So if you've got a pet rabbit, keep those houseplants out of reach. Did you know that a group of rabbits is called a fluffle? Or that when they're super happy, they do a little dance called a binky? It's like a jump combined with a twist. Absolutely adorable. Let's talk teeth. Rabbit teeth never stop growing. They have to constantly chew on things to keep their chompers in check. If their teeth get too long, it can cause serious health problems. So if you see a rabbit munching on some wood, don't stop them. They're just practicing good dental hygiene. Now, you might think all rabbits are the same, but there are actually over 30 different species of wild rabbits and more than 300 breeds of domestic rabbits. From tiny Netherland dwarfs to giant Flemish rabbits that can weigh up to 20 pounds, there's a bunny for every preference. Here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Not all rabbits live underground. While many do dig burrows, some species like the cottontail prefer to live above ground, making nests in tall grass or brush. Rabbits are social creatures and love to live in groups. In the wild, they form complex social structures with dominant and subordinate members. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body language, including thumping their hind legs to warn others of danger. Did you know that rabbits have an excellent memory? They can remember complex paths and can be trained to respond to commands, just like dogs. Some rabbit owners even teach their bunnies to use litter boxes. Let's talk about those adorable noses. Rabbits have an incredible sense of smell, with nearly 100 million scent receptors. That's about 20 times more than humans. They use this superpower to detect predators, find food, and communicate with other rabbits. Here's a weird one for you. Rabbits can't sweat. Instead, they release heat through their ears. So if you see a rabbit with red, warm ears, they might be trying to cool down. Rabbits' eyes are positioned high on the sides of their head, giving them a wide field of vision to spot predators. But this comes at a cost. They have a blind spot directly in front of their nose. So if you're approaching a rabbit, they might not see you until you're quite close. Now, let's hop into some rabbit history. These little guys have been domesticated for over 1,500 years, originally bred for their meat and fur. Today, they're popular pets, therapy animals, and even show animals in rabbit jumping competitions. Yes, that's a real thing. Here's a fact that might make you go, "Ah." Baby rabbits, called kits, are born blind and hairless. They rely entirely on their mother for the first few weeks of life. By 3 weeks old, they're already hopping around and exploring their surroundings. Did you know that rabbits are actually not rodents? They belong to a separate order called Lagomorpha, which also includes hares and pikas. One key difference is that rabbits have 4 incisor teeth, while rodents only have 2. Let's end with a mind-blowing fact. The longest recorded jump by a rabbit is a whopping 9.88 feet. That's like a human jumping the length of a school bus. Talk about some serious hops. So there you have it, folks. A fluffle of fascinating facts about our floppy-eared friends. From their unique digestive systems to their impressive jumping skills, rabbits are truly remarkable creatures. Whether you're a longtime bunny lover or just hopping onto the rabbit bandwagon, we hope these facts have given you a new appreciation for these amazing animals. Remember, there's always more to learn about the wonderful world of rabbits, so keep those ears perked and those curiosity whiskers twitching.